In the past 6 months, we've traveled over 10,000 miles and camped in 12 states along the way. Now that we've made it to our favorite state, we're slowing things down. Northern Michigan summers bring cool weather, the occasional rain shower, and plenty of things to do outdoors. We hope you enjoy as we show off this beautiful area, and welcome to Living Large Camping. Hey everybody, last time you saw us we were at Petoskey State Park. We loved it. It was such a beautiful area, but it is the weekend now and that park is packed full, so we were not able to get a second night there, but we did manage to find a harvest host for this evening.
But before we go to the harvest host, we wanted to check out some of the trails. Michigan has loads of them around, so we figured might as well do one today. It's a little gray and rainy, as you guys can maybe see outside, so we're still gonna give it a shot. It's only 2.4 miles out and back, nothing crazy.
We are parked here in a pretty cool area. There's a marina right over here, and it looks like you can take it all the way across to the other towns nearby, and they've got their fire station going. I guess it's some sort of public event today, but yeah, it seems like a really cool area, and let's go check it all out. We have really been enjoying our time here in northern Michigan. It's such a pretty area of the country, and being from Texas, it's hard to believe that places have summers where it's not 100 degrees all the time. I think we're just soaking up the cool weather, enjoying the spring, early summer parts of it, and just seeing what this area has to offer has been really, really nice.
As you can see, we are still in cooler dressed, what would you say?
Warmer dressed weather? Warmer dressed for cooler weather?
We're still dressed for cold weather. It's about 60s here, rainy, overcast, which we are really enjoying. I would say about a week ago it was in the upper 80s, so that was very warm for Michigan, but we're welcoming this cooler weather. It's a great day for a walk. So one of the reasons I chose this trail is because someone in the comments said the wildflowers here are beautiful at this time, and it does not disappoint. There is white and purple, blue, so many colors. It's gorgeous.
On.
Hey, good. How are you doing?
Good. Everybody's telling me there's nasty water here. It doesn't look like there's.
So it seems like we've reached the end of the trail and now we're back onto like the biking path. So we're gonna turn around and walk back. Hopefully we can find the way to get down the other side of the creek this time. Very pretty. It got a little still up here, so it's warmed up a little bit.
Okay, so we are back at the car, as you can see, and we're only about 20 or so minutes from the Harvest Host, which is a winery like Connor said earlier, and we're very excited to check it out. We haven't looked anything up online, so we're just kind of showing up blindly. We love to do that.
We just arrived at our Harvest Host for the night. We are staying at Boyne Valley Vineyard. It's just a couple miles south of Petoskey, so really easy drive. We're all set up here for our camp. And now we're gonna go in, have a glass of wine, and they even have some live music going on. So excited to sit there and have a great evening.
Woo! They even have an outhouse for us. How nice.
adorable. We each got a glass of Riesling. They do have some live music going on, which is really nice. So we're gonna do this for a little while, and then we'll go make some dinner in the camper. Cheers, guys.
Cheers, guys. Moment of truth. Not bad. So as you can see, that's the little outhouse that they have here, I think for harvest hosts. I'm not really sure, but good thing we checked because there is no toilet paper. So that would have been a huge bummer if we were going to the bathroom later.
Well, that was a great start to our evening. We love staying at harvest hosts like Boyne Valley Vineyards because we get to support a local business instead of paying for a campground. And since it's the weekend, campgrounds around here are usually pretty full, especially during the summertime. So we found it to be a great way to find alternative camping options. And it's nice to just walk across the parking lot back to our home where we get to make some dinner and then have a nice relaxing night here.
We got some buffalo chicken sausages that we're gonna put in pasta along with broccoli and zucchini. And we have marinara and pesto, so we might combine those for our sauce. So, it's time to start cooking.
So I know broccoli and a marinara pasta dish doesn't sound like the most normal thing, but it's all we had and we were wanting some extra veggies tonight, so this is what you get living in a truck camper.
We know it's an odd combo, but what you gonna do?
This looks really tasty. It's definitely nice to be able to come over here and save a little bit of money cooking dinner. We already supported them buying a glass of wine, but now we get to have a great dinner, and this is a pretty peaceful spot. We're a little bit off of the highway, so it should be a nice quiet evening.
Okay, you wanna come down? Okay, good boy. If you ever wondered, that's how we get him down. Just goes on your shoulder and that's how we do it. Anywho, dinner was easy and tasty. Not much to it, but we do have a few dishes to clean up, so we're gonna do that right now. We just fed Barkley, so I think after we clean the dishes, we're gonna take him for a little walk over to the other barn and just check out the vineyard, and then probably just hang out from there.
Well, just use the little bathroom over there, and it is subpar, so definitely a better option here. Now it's time to go take him for a little walk. Let's go. Come on, let's go.
It is very gray and rainy this morning. It is also pretty cold. I don't know what the temperature is, probably 40s. But when it's gray and rainy and cold like that, we love a good morning in bed to just work, watch some YouTube, and just hang out.
It's a great place to drink our coffee. Honestly, sometimes there's nothing better than a nice, relaxing morning in bed, but we do have to be out of this Harvest Host at 11, and it's 10:30 right now, so we're going to make a little bit of breakfast, and then we'll get the camper all packed up. That way we can hit the road. One of our favorite quick go-to breakfasts on the road is just a rice cake, and then we have some almond butter and actually some new strawberry preserves that we picked up at a Harvest Host a few weeks ago. We've just been holding on to it until we ran out of our other one. So yeah, we're gonna get this made real quick, and then it'll be a nice way to get us started in the morning. Oh, I dropped it in the pan. There we go, very easy. I think we like the rice cakes because it almost tastes like toast, but we don't have to actually use any propane or get the stove going. Nice easy breakfast there.
No.
Not very good. Well, we're a little past our checkout time. It's almost 11:30 now, but they are just starting to open up, and it's time for us to get out of their hair.
So from here, we are heading south just a little bit towards Traverse City. We are meeting up with a special guest, which we are so excited about. If you guys have any guesses who it is, please leave those in the comments below, and we'll see who's the closest. I think you guys might know who it is.
We are so appreciative of all the suggestions that you guys have given us in the state of Michigan. We have them all written down, and we're trying to map out a nice route around the whole entire state. So we are going to be here for a while still. We're just loving it right now. This weather is pretty amazing, and we're in no rush to leave. But we hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with us here at Boyne Valley Vineyards. It's such a great Harvest Host location, and there are so many in this state. So I'm sure we'll go to another one at some point, and hopefully you guys have been enjoying this type of content.
If you do, please let us know with a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for being here, guys.
We'll see you next video. Hope you guys have a large day.
Bye, guys.